everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. Just come to give my plants a quick water. There's not much I can do today because I think we're going to have some rain coming. So I'm just in my polytunnel and I just come to check my things. And these are my spinach and broccoli what I planted the last time. The broccoli's, the spinach looking a bit worse for wear, but hopefully they'll come back. I've still got my peppers coming along nicely, and I've just come in and I'm just looking at my melon plants, and sometimes I don't know why they're coming this late in the season. The last time there was just one, and now I come on watering it, and I'm looking and I'm seeing, let my cameraman go up a bit closer, I'm seeing quite a few on there now, just starting to come at this late time in the season. I think there's about 4 on there. There's even one, there's some at the bottom as well, maybe some behind, but I can see 3 there and one down the bottom there. Let my cameraman go down, show you. There's one down the bottom. Let me come see if I can get around him. There's one there, one there, and a little one just coming. So why they're coming so late in the season, I don't know. If it's a late one, or they're like a little bit of the cold or what. But that's what's going on down here. See my ginger, you can see the tops of how it's progressing. I'm wondering if I should be covering that over maybe. I'll have to see if I can get some compost next time and cover that over a bit. And then I just still got some lettuces. Those will all be out soon. Well, most of them are out, but I've left the roots in and then they spring back up again. Right, the voles, we just saw one and I started watering and he exited. He just flew out the door. I'm still using my garlic and that stuff. Put some on the top of my carrots beds, and now I can see my carrots starting to come up. The ones that was there before starting to send off their second leaves, and then the new ones will most probably come up soon. So hopefully they should be all right now, because I've covered it over with this netting, and I've put cotton wool with the mixture what I made with castor oil, pepper and garlic, and hopefully they should be alright. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish watering in there, then I'm going to be heading outside. So if you like our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. There's not a lot that we can do at this time of the year. I wanted to see if I could get the compost from the shop. I don't know if they've got any. I wanted to get the bulk bags, but it looks like I'm not going to get hold of them, so it's going to cost me quite a bit to get the amount what I need to fill those 2 beds so I can put my garlics, and I might see if I can get hold of some of the winter onion sets and get those in. So hopefully we should be all right. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so what I've got now, I've finished watering and I've watered outside as well, and I've got my mixture and I've put the cotton wool. So what I'm going to do, just lace one at each end of my carrots. I just re-soak them. So like if they come up here, all they would be smelling is just the garlic. God, the longer you leave it, is the more powerful it smells. And then I'm putting some in this bed here. This is just like a deterrent, really. When if they come up here, that's all they're gonna smell. I'll put that one right on the roots. Oh God! And there's one more over this side. Then with the God, that stuff is. Then I just pour a little bit in each corner there. I've got some cotton wool. If I can get some on the cotton wool. My cameraman can reach that side, I can't stretch. Like a bit more. So that's all I can show you for today, not much. So if you like our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on that. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care till then.